This is the Python program to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two numbers. Here we will enter the first number, we will take the input in the form of first number, then we will take the input of second number, then we will print enter which operation would you like to perform. We will ask the user, we will prompt the user to enter that which calculation he wants to perform on these numbers. The user will have to choose from these options. So the result would be equal to 0 before the calculations. We have specified it here, and then you see that if ch is equal to plus, that means choice is equal to this symbol. Then if the user enters this symbol, then the choice would be equal to this, and the result would be equal to that. Result would be equal to number 1 plus number 2. This plus operation would be performed, addition operation would be performed on these numbers. Elif, if this symbol is not done by the user and the user enters this negative sign in elif condition, then we will divide the number 2 from number 1. If the user does not enter plus minus sign, the user wants to multiply both numbers, then the condition will shift to this line of code and the result would be equal to number 1 multiplied by number 2. We will find the product of both the numbers, and if you want to find the division of those numbers, you can find with these lines. Else print input character is not recognized. If the user enters other symbol, then this positive, plus sign, negative and minus sign, and this multiplication and division symbol, the computer code, this Python program code will say that it cannot recognize this symbol, and finally the result would be printed. So here we will execute this code. So you see here, I will scroll down it, enter first number. So we will enter first number, say we are going to enter the number 10, and then it will ask us to enter second number, say 20. So enter which operation would you like to perform. So we will have to choose between these symbols. So you see that we have specified here that the choice can be only these symbols. So I will press, say I want to divide these numbers, and simply we will first add them. So you see here that 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. We will execute it again and give number 10, then number 20, then we will give the choice of division. So you see here that the answer is equal to 0.5. 10 divided by 20 is equal to 0.5. So we will execute it again. 10, second number is 20, and we will now perform the operation of product multiplication. So you see here that 10 multiplied by 20 is equal to 200, and then finally we are going to subtract the numbers. So first number is say 10, second number is 20. We are going to perform the minus sign, and you see that the answer is equal to minus 10. The answer is equal to minus 10. We are going to enter first number, then second number, then we will perform minus operation, and then you see that the answer is 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. So this Python program was to perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on two numbers, prompted by the user to enter those numbers. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture and you will practice this on